Every year, millions of lives are affected by natural disasters, earthquakes, typhoons, floods, and wildfires. But did you know that some countries face these disasters more than others? Today, we're exploring some of the world's most disaster-prone countries and what makes them so vulnerable. Let's dive in. First on our list is Japan, one of the most disaster-prone nations on Earth. Sitting on the Pacific Ring of Fire, Japan lies on one of the most seismically active regions on Earth and experiences frequent earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami devastated the country, proving just how dangerous this region can be. On top of the frequency of earthquakes, Japan has also experienced some earthquakes of the highest magnitude. But thanks to advanced engineering and disaster preparedness, Japan remains resilient and boasts one of the world's most advanced earthquake early warning systems. Japan also hosts regular nationwide earthquake drills. Indonesia is another country sitting on the Pacific Ring of Fire, making it prone to earthquakes and tsunamis. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was one of the deadliest disasters in history, striking Indonesia's coastline with devastating force. With over 120 active volcanoes, the country is also at risk of deadly and devastating eruptions. Next, the Philippines. With an average of 20 typhoons per year, the Philippines is no stranger to natural disasters. The archipelago is hit by powerful storms like Typhoon Haiyan, one of the strongest ever recorded. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions also threaten the country, making it one of the most disaster-affected nations in the world. Next up, Haiti. Haiti's location along a major fault line makes it vulnerable to earthquakes, while its Caribbean setting exposes it to hurricanes. The devastating 2010 earthquake killed over 200,000 people, and frequent tropical storms make recovery even harder. Poor infrastructure and economic struggles worsen the impact of these disasters. Also, unfortunately for Haiti, these disasters often tend to have short time spans in between occurrences. Moving on, and we come to Bangladesh. Bangladesh faces constant threats from flooding and cyclones due to its low-lying geography. The Bay of Bengal produces powerful storms, and rising sea levels are making things worse. Cyclone Sidr in 2007 left a trail of destruction, and millions of people are at risk from climate change-related disasters. Next, India. From the Himalayas to its coastal regions, India, the most populous country in the world, is exposed to multiple natural disasters. Floods and landslides occur every monsoon season, while cyclones from the Bay of Bengal wreak havoc. Earthquakes, like the 2001 Gujarat earthquake, have caused major destruction. Climate change is making droughts and heat waves more intense across the country. Next up, China. China's vast landscape means it faces a variety of disasters. The Sichuan earthquake in 2008 was one of the deadliest in history, killing nearly 90,000 people. Typhoons hit its coastal regions, while flooding along the Yangtze River threatens millions. Climate change is also worsening droughts in northern China. Next up, we have Mexico. Mexico is no stranger to earthquakes, sitting at the intersection of multiple tectonic plates. The 1985 Mexico City earthquake was a wake-up call for disaster preparedness. The country also faces hurricanes from both the Pacific and Gulf of Mexico, as well as volcanic eruptions from giants like Popocatépetl. Next, USA. The United States experiences a wide range of natural disasters. California sits on the San Andreas Fault, making it highly earthquake-prone. The Midwest is home to Tornado Alley, while the East Coast and Gulf of Mexico face deadly hurricanes like Katrina. Wildfires have also become a major threat due to climate change. Last but not least, Nepal, a mountainous country prone to devastating earthquakes. The 2015 earthquake killed nearly 9,000 people and flattened entire villages. Landslides are common in the Himalayas, and melting glaciers pose a new risk of flash floods. With limited resources, disaster recovery remains a challenge. These countries are on the front lines of nature's fury. While we can't stop disasters, we can prepare for them. Stronger buildings, early warning systems, and climate action can save lives. Which disaster-prone country surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.